Renowned as offering one of the world's finest lifestyles, the affluent town of Paradise Valley is known for world-class golf courses and resorts, shopping, restaurants and luxury real estate. A wonderful example of this is the stunning Pueblo Blanco, where contemporary styling meets superb leisure facilities. Set on over an acre on a quiet cul-de-sac, its clean architectural lines lead you past huge palm trees to the front door, where upon entering you are struck by the quality and expansiveness of the interiors. High ceilings, magnificent Venetian plaster walls and imported travertine flooring define the extravagant living spaces. The unique open floor plan begins with a wall of glass climate-controlled wine cellar, creating a games room with fireplace, which flows past the formal dining room and into the living room. With exposed beam ceiling, large fireplace and beautiful detail, it delivers a sophisticated and relaxed atmosphere. The main living area of the home is the ultimate space to socialize and incorporates the gourmet kitchen, bar, casual dining area and sitting room. With the finest appliances, thick granite countertops with seating and custom cabinetry, the kitchen has the capacity to cater whilst never being far from the entertainment, which also includes a state-of-the-art theatre room. From here you have access to the rear yard, where the warm Arizona climate is enjoyed around a large swimming pool, putting green and play area, along with private cooking, dining and seating areas on spacious patios. The residence offers 4 bedroom suites, with the most elaborate being the master bedroom suite, where you discover a refined bedroom with seating area, work from home office and lavishly appointed bathroom, which then passes into a fitness room and spacious closets. The home is complete with a secondary sitting room or office and a high-tech home automation, making this extraordinary residence the ultimate estate from where to explore this exceptional part of the country.